Do I think that these incumbents, like the pharmaceutical companies and the corporates that own the hospitals, are just going to accept this? As what I'm saying starts to spread and people start to see that it works, and like all of a sudden, like these organizations and institutions that live and breathe and make tons of money on the current system, they're going to fight. Trust me. I see it in the dental world already. Everyone's gonna just say it's completely bullshit and fight it and use science as a weapon to try to prove it wrong. The good thing is that it is so easy to prove correct that they will lose that fight. Anyone can put a rubber mouthguard in their mouth and start to get healthier.